Hello guys! So for today, kasama ko ngayon si Timmy. So gagawin namin yung trend na different emotions. So the word is, Mommy, I'm hungry. So the first emotion is happy.
Mommy!
Okay, wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Mommy, I'm hungry!
Okay. And the second is angry.
Mommy, I'm hungry!
Galit naman talaga. Yung face, oh, galit. And how about sad?
Mommy, I'm hungry!
Hungry ka na talaga? Okay. And the next emotion is serious.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Ganun yung serious. Aba, ganun pa. The word is, Mommy, I'm hungry, crying.
Mommy, I'm hungry! Mommy, I'm hungry!
Hungry na ikaw? Hungry na ikaw? You want to eat na? Okay. Okay guys, nagawa naman ni Tim yung kanyang different emotions challenge. Ang galing mo. Oh, nag-cry talaga. Oh, nag-cry talaga siya guys. Oh. Love you, Timmy namin. Oh, nag-cry talaga siya guys. Oh, nag-cry talaga siya. Tingnan nyo guys, nag-cry talaga siya. Oh, nag-cry talaga. Oh, siya. Are you hungry, Timmy?
Yeah.
Nag-cry talaga siya guys. Oh, sus. Nag-cry talaga siya. Hungry na talaga siya, oh. Ay, sus. You're hungry na?
Yeah.
Yes, you're hungry na. I'm sorry, baby. I love you so much. Okay. Okay? Dahil